Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make very famous Georgian dish. It's called Pkhali. For this I will need two big boiled beetroot, coriander leaves, fresh garlic 3 pieces, pomegranate of course. Then I will use walnut 200 gram. Also I will need salt. If you don't want to use fresh garlic, you can use garlic powder. Here I have 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. From spices I will use 1 teaspoon Hmeli sунели, 1 teaspoon chili powder and half teaspoon coriander powder. Let's start. Walnuts I wash in water because I buy in market and I am not sure how clean they are. Beetroot I already peel and grate in small grater. Now I should press it to remove extra juice, because for this dish this beetroot should be not watery. So I will press, and all this juice I just will throw and use only this dry beetroot. Walnuts and fresh garlic I will crush in blender. All ingredients is ready. Like this I chop my walnut. Coriander leaves I wash and chop in small pieces. Now I will mix them all together. I will put half teaspoon garlic powder. Then I will put all spices here, vinegar, a bit salt, leaves, walnut, and now I will mix it all by hand very well. After you already mix everything very well, just take some amount, make it a ball from this, like this, put in plate and make it hole there inside, hole, and you will put it there, pomegranate inside, and like this make every pieces. Georgian Pkhali with beetroots is ready. It's really very tasty and also very good for your health. Also they do this dish with eggplant, spinach and cabbage. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and bye bye.